Like, what did you think of your first Glitza experience overall?
It was really fun, and I didn't know what to expect, and it was like a really nice surprise because it was really easy to use and really good quality.
Do you think it's something you could use in your everyday life? Can you see objects in your own home that you could put it on?
Yeah, I could definitely see that because I always like make birthday cards for my friends, and I think that this would be such an easy and fun way to make those. So I definitely would want like a little store of it in my house or something, and I could definitely like take it. I could see myself take it out at any time to like do a craft if I wanted to, because it's really like quick and easy.
Is this something you can see yourself using alone or with your friends or maybe with some younger relatives?
Definitely, like I think it's applicable to any age range or group, so I could see myself doing it like with my parents or my sister or like younger kids too.
Perfect.